Royal Park Estate, a new estate in Nairobi, Langata. On your way to Otiende, there's this beautiful studio called Masterclef Studios inside this building. And this guy over here is the super producer welcoming me into the studios. So I just want to share with you. So anyways, hello.
Hi guys, my name is SHANKEEZ, aka Tobias Odhiambo, but that's not for today. SHANKEEZ should remain. Welcome at Masterclef Studio. I'll be taking you around. I'm the senior chief audio producer stroke sound engineer. Let's go. Sorry, we happen to have visitors, and this is Rumba Japan.
Okay.
I hope you know the most famous Rumba Japan from Kinshasa, Congo.
Okay.
Down at their recording session.
Okay.
But a little bit refreshing themselves.
Okay.
So we'll just bypass them. Also, we can just have one to introduce,
okay,
just to say a name, then we continue.
Hey.
Let me
Hello. So tell me who you guys are.
Kwa majina,
Vasco da Gama from Rumba Japan.
So this is Rumba Japan? The one I know?
yes.
So Congo?
Yeah.
Me, my name is Juna Lion, solo guitar.
Jonas Klau is the solo guitarist of Rumba Japan.
Okay.
And here we have the whole band.
The whole band is here. Wow.
Yes.
And they're waiting to record, eh?
Yes. And there is the serious bassist. The most renowned bassist
Yeah.
is called Gobi.
Gobi.
Yeah. Yes. So all of these is Rumba Japan. They are chilling.
Having a birthday cake here. Whose birthday is it?
For this one.
Hey. Mazo me katakata it.
It's
No, don't give me the knife. But yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
yeah.
This guy is not to sing. Happy birthday.
Hey, will you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to Picasso. French. Bon anniversaire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bon anniversaire, Picasso.
And that's Rumba Japan. That's how
Anyway.
crazy they are.
Lobelanga siplio lingakanga pasi ya bolingo balimbisaka maloba kasi na motema etikalaka elembo. This is Rumba Japan #1. Tuko hapa studio Master Clear Music John Jr. #1 Kenya mzima, East Africa, mambo ni hapa, kila kitu ni tamu zaidi. Tunaendelea. Happy birthday for me. Tuko na Cyprien Chabwe wa mtu wa dola. John Jr. mambo ni moto na Rumba Japan. Tunaendelea mbele. Kila kitu ni tamu. Bizu.
Let's not waste time. Let's just go. And if we put on the lights.
No, you have to show this picture.
You guys don't mind the dark. We're just going upstairs where the studios are.
Sorry guys, I'm here.
It's evening. It's around 7.
Yeah, natuka kwa lights sasa.
Okay.
Now I want to welcome you to our most beautiful vocal booth. See where our artists do their thing, okay?
This is
and this is
the recording studio.
Yes.
The voice over studio, we say.
Yeah. True. So here is where our artists do their things.
Okay.
We have a serious microphone here, if not
Let me see.
for good vocals.
Okay.
This is the most serious microphone in the world. It's one of the best, actually.
Is it from Rod?
And yes, and this is called it's Newman TLM 59. Very serious.
Wow.
And there also we have our warm audio from the
what's
warm
the
audio company.
What's the difference between these two mics?
The difference is that this one is more. This one has a lot of strength, and then it has a big diaphragm, so it gives you it picks all the details of your vocals. Okay. This is a little bit expensive. It costs only 200,000 Kenya shillings if you buy it abroad.
Okay.
This warm audio also is good, but it costs only 80,000, but it's really good also. But compared to TLM, TLM Newman is the best any day. Newman.
So you use Newman for what, and you use this TLM for what?
Mostly for For single artists, for lead vocals mostly, I go for Newman. But when I'm doing a choir thing, mostly I use this for lead. Then this one I can give the backup, the backup artist here. But when I'm now doing the individual vocals, I'll always go for Newman.
Okay.
Which goes through a very serious preamp there. We will have a look. So I hope you guys, you love our vocal booth. Well designed, acoustic treated, with warm lights, different colors.
What's the curtains for?
The curtains basically, these ones are just for acoustic treatment.
Okay.
And you can adjust them depending on the acoustic room, or depending on the kind of sound that you want inside here. You can decide to, so that you don't make it too dead. This room is not supposed to be too dead actually. And
so the
that's
curtains,
about, it's soundproof.
It makes a change on the music.
Yes, so it makes a change. It depends with what you are recording. So mostly for vocals, I'll want them a little bit dry, but not too dry, because the ceiling will give us the live effect kind of. So this one mostly I'll do them. I'll do a dead room here, so that I don't have a lot of echoes actually. Yeah. If you remove these curtains, you'll have echo. And this one is not for soundproofing. I repeat, not for soundproofing. Acoustic treatment. Okay. And here we have our professional acoustic materials from Primo Acoustic.
Imported?
Yeah. Mostly these ones, we bought them from Sweetwaters. They help in absorbing the high frequencies. Okay. Yeah, so they really help a lot, and they're not supposed to be too much. So we just have this piece for this side. And this side here, we have our headphone splitter, which allows you to connect up to 4 headphones. It's really good. Good sound. You can do your adjustment if you want trebles, the bass, which only affects the individual headphones. So it's really suitable for the artist. An artist can set the kind of sound that he wants to listen to, just to kuipatia tu moral. Okay. Yeah. Wow. So that's our vocal booth. And from this area here, you direct the guys. Yes, and wow, and I can see an artist there that I know. Yes, so we have a window which very big screen, which enables you to communicate with people from the control room, the engineer, plus the third ears that producer uses when recording. Me as producer SHANKEEZ, I don't record alone. I always prefer having the third ears in the studio because my ear is not the best. So I always prefer listening also, as in comparing with the third person in the studio. So mostly I must have somebody inside the studio that helps, and that is either the person you work with or the person I chose. Okay. Now from here we'll be going to the drum booth. Follow me.
What is that?
Welcome to our drum booth.
I left the door, by the way.
Yes.
Why is it this way? Because this door is different from this door. Why?
Now this one is not soundproof. This one is soundproof because drums produce a lot of sound, and if you don't control your room inside, then you'll be affecting the neighbors. Plus, you'll be having a lot of noise inside the studio. And you don't want that. So you have to contain your sound fully. And you know what a drum set is. It produces very serious sound. Yeah. Good. Very sound pressure. Teach me. And you're at work, I can see in slippers. Yes, I'm in slippers, sorry. Yeah, I just have my boots outside there. Yeah, guys, and here is my drum booth. As you can see, we have a serious drums here. Let me just show you around. With serious headphone. When you have it, the volume here is too loud. I'm not a drummer. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. Wow.
What did you just do something down there? Let me see what you did with the legs.
Where are my sticks? So here we have, as you can see here, we have our bass drum. And it's well set with microphones set inside. So the quality that comes.
There are microphones inside.
Yeah, we have microphones inside. As SHANKEEZ are used to microphones, there is one inside just for the attack, and we have one outside that pick the depth of the bass drum, and everything channels to the other side. So as you can see, we have serious mic here. It's called Audix, and all our needle for the drums have been mic'd just to get a good sound. And then also we have the overheads that enables you to get rich drums. So everything here is professional. And we still have one here, depending on the kind of music that we record. So in case we want to change the sound of the cymbals, we can as well do that. So this is our drum booth. They had the drummer also has got his headphone splitter here,
Oh, okay.
which we can do up to around 4 channels. So with this, the drum is able to communicate with the engineer very easily,
Okay.
and listening to quality music. He can is capable of controlling the level of sound that he wants from this side,
Okay.
so that he's comfortable enough to give us a professional touch.
Nice.
And now from here, also you can see this side we decided to do a different curtain.
Yes.
These are
Look at the
different
quality.
material. Actually, it's too heavy just because of the
Wow.
sound pressure level that drums produces. It requires a very heavy materials for absorption.
Okay.
Actually, it's like I'm doing a lesson to some other my fellow engineers also. You can pick a few tips as well. And now, from there, Terry, do you have any question?
So you do everything like raw. Somebody can just come with an idea, a
just
song.
come
Do
with
you
an
also write songs, by the way?
I do.
So
I
you
do write song. I work also as a music director,
okay.
so I can still direct your music.
So a talent can just come here and you
We
give
grow
everything
talents.
from
Yes,
zero.
Yes, we grow. We nurture talents.
We're lucky in
As
Kenya.
SHANKEEZ, we nurture talents, and we've nurtured and we've won awards. I don't want to say that, not for today.
Can you make me a musician?
Yes, I can. So long as you can talk, you can sing. So long as you can talk, you can sing.
I'll make time. So take me to the next.
This one actually is for the drummer. The
Okay.
drummer uses this one to communicate with the engineer,
okay.
and also with the artist from the other side.
Oh, wow.
So it's easier during live recording because you can communicate. Just apart from the headphones, you can still communicate eye contact.
Good.
So I'll be taking you now to the main room, which is
Okay.
now the control room.
And I hope you give me some of your productions, just a
Yes,
test
I
of
will.
it. Okay.
I believe one is playing there. I'll have to stop it, then we continue from
Thank
there.
you.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
And now,
Wow.
guys, once again, welcome to our control room
Okay.
at Masterclef Studios.
This is the control room.
This is the control room.
Uh-huh,
Now this is what controls everything in this place. That's why we call it a control room. Okay. And it's an engineer's office. So as you can see, our computer is busy now.
Yes.
Yes. So actually, at least you can see a different compared to the vocal booth. Those 2 rooms that we've walked through, this one is a little bit busier.
Oh yeah.
Yes, a little bit busy. So, Terry, you can ask me a question.
Yeah. Tell me what are all these? You know, what are all these? I don't understand a thing. Although I'm also in music, but you know, I'm not a producer, so I can see some interface here.
This one is the sound card. People call
Okay,
it a
that's
sound.
sound
People
card.
call it a sound card.
I've
yes,
heard about that, yeah.
But SHANKEEZ call it an audio interface,
Okay.
and other professionals call it an audio interface. Actually,
And you use it for
now
what?
this is the most important thing. This is what converts your sound energy into digital, so that it can be read by your computer, and that's the work of the sound card. So it's the most important thing in a studio. Actually, without this, all the rest of the things
won't work.
Won't work.
Okay.
Or nothing. And then up there, you remember I showed you our serious microphone in the vocal booth.
Yes, the one.
Yeah. Now that's a Neumann TLM49. It goes through this preamp,
Okay.
and that's what most of our studios in Kenya lacks. And at Masterclef we offer you that serious preamps. It's one of the best, and it's one of the preferred preamp in the best studios. Actually, it's called Universal Audio LA610 MK2. There, then we have also our JBL speakers.
All imported.
Yes, we have
This looks
we have our JBL speakers.
professional.
I need to direct somebody to the studio. Can I do that?
Faster.
Yes. Hello. Umeshuka hapo kwenye mall? Haya, unaona hiyo njia imepanda juu, imekuja juu kabla hujapita malls. Kuna njia imeingia on your left, eh? Haya, kuja na hiyo njia juu. Sasa upite, si hapo tu venye umefika tu kwa hiyo mall hapo tu, kuna njia inapanda on your left side, right?
So just listen.
Kwa hiyo ukuta hivi, sivyo? Haya, kuja na hiyo njia on your left, ukimaintain your left side, kuna gate ya kwanza, achana hiyo gate ya pili, kuja hadi gate ya 3 inaitwa Royal Park Estate. Royal Park Estate. Ni gate ya 3, ni gate ya grey. Ukiingia kwa hiyo gate, uliza huyo studio, atakuonyesha Ndovu Lane. Okay, sorry guys, that was just one of the clients who is coming to visit us.
But they do me a favor.
Yes.
Give me that bag. I need to get something out of it that is supposed to be here,
Okay.
so I don't interfere.
Okay.
Madame Chanel. So let's get it out. Then you go on with the kuna tunadilita hapo. Hebu acha tuongee hivyo.
Okay.
Help me. Toa hiyo USB yako. Alafu ingiza kwa hii kitu gapi. Where that? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes, then
Don't worry. That's what
yeah, okay, good.
technology requires.
Why did you choose to use an iMac?
It's one of the best when it comes to production.
Really?
It's the fastest computer.
Okay.
And it's very stable. Before I come down here, at least here we have a very good external hard disk with faster speed, Thunderbolt, which ensures that your projects are safe.
Okay.
So once we are done with your project, from
it's like a memory card.
No, actually, this is not a memory card. It's a storage.
A storage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we use it as a backup. So your projects are safe. So we do backups almost once a week. So your projects are safe.
Okay.
Yeah, because this technology. Then just the same side. This side we have our compressors because you remember we are doing live, and with the drums at least they have to go through compressors. And with that we decided to get the ART.
Trying to find light.
Yeah.
Let me get the other side. Okay. This
because
is
of live recordings, we have our Pro VLA2 compressors. All our drums goes through those compressors.
Okay.
And zinatusaidia kufanya sound inakuwa much better. And then also it helps our artists also to get good quality. There we have Martin, one of the best acoustic guitars.
It's called Martin?
That you can get. Yeah, it's called Martin.
Okay.
It's one of the best and very expensive, but gives you good sound. Yes. And here we are using Motif.
Yamaha.
Yeah, it's a music production synthesizer. Okay. It's called MOXF8. Motif, one of the best. To pianist, keyboardist, you understand what I'm talking about.
Are you a Luo?
Aja Luo.
Everything, one of the best.
Yes, Aja Luo.
Proud.
Yes. Proud to be one.
Yeah. That's how we roll. Anyway, tell me.
What else? At least I have a talk back. For those who are wondering, how do you communicate with people in the vocal booth and the drum booth, and you are here, and this place is soundproofed? Here is my talk back. I do my connections directly.
Can these lights get brighter?
I have to do my. Yes, it can. There.
Oh, better.
It's okay. Okay. Tari kuja karibu.
Nakuja.
Here we have two preamps actually. We have this one for the main microphone.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of the best actually. And you cannot have many of these because it's expensive.
Okay. One is enough.
Yeah, one is enough for main microphone. Then now we have this one also, which is good. It's warm audio from the same company with the other microphone, and this one also is really good. But now in this case, this one has 2 channels. So this one has 4 channels.
Okay.
Now 4 channels allow us now to do the guitars and also to do that one microphone. So the guitars, the acoustic, rhythm, bass, solo, all of them goes here. It enables you to get at least a rich sound from your guitars. So hii inatusaidia sana. Then also we have a power conditioner here. Now this power conditioner, hii inatusaidia kufilter the noise that comes from power.
I'm sorry guys, a bit dark there, but
yes, it's a little bit dark unless I move.
It's something like that.
Yeah, you can just pull it. You can yes.
See. So
nataka uchukue aimbe hiyo kitu kama guide hadi afuate hiyo vitu fanya Vasco na nani.
Oh.
Achela temo.
Mina ngoja ile rana.
Ile roll itakuja baadaye.
Você me coração, gosto muito na minha vida, deixa um queirão, cabeça pra viver junto. Na nossa casa, Claude Malilai, Papi Okito, Simon Mwambada, Welu Yele, Bichulu Yele, Kelvi Sengwe, Yangana Cyprien, Choisi Matata Ibi, Difle Wantoko, Azalaki, Temwena, Bolingo na biso, uchukue ingine, eh?
Dawa luyeye, ichu luyeye, luyele.
Luyeye. Kaka poko te osisa. Awa desili. Tia ndango sisa.
Space moko.
You're going to super producer SHANKEEZ. Hey, whose song is that?
Anaitwa wewe Mandala nimeandika hapo. Ndio new project yake pia tuna release.
Ebu ongeza that volume, please. Is that gospel? Yeah?
Ameingia yanko pass.
Oh, okay. Ni kama Papa Lolo.
Yanko pass.
Oh, it's a morning song.
That we need to go there. Bora miachie local arrangement. Now we are starting.
Mama Maria.
This is the recording studio, by the way, guys. The Wi-Fi. Let me get the Wi-Fi. Kwani hiyo Wi-Fi? The Wi-Fi is only for here.
Wi-Fi where?
You only here?
No, iko pale iko week hapo ndani.
Ebu wana iko week. Check. Sasa imerudi.
Ukiwa pale iko week.
Anyway. Just enjoying the new song. And this great studio. Ebu kwanza. Kama kuna wifi kule chini kwanza tuongee, alafu turudi.
Twende chini kwanza.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sawa. Nataka kujua more about this studio. I'm very, very excited.
Hiyo bana ufesi. Huyo ndio wewe Florence Andeji. That song one group of
Florence Andeji is they all produce here.
That's my artist. Sasa yeye nimemsigningi kutoka 2015.
Okay.
Yes. Hi guys. Here chilling with the Terry Chocolate all the way from Ujerumani.
Why, Johnny Junior, nice meeting you over here. But then I saw you in the studio up there. And I'm told one of your songs in the new album, or 2 or 3, I don't know, is produced here. Is it true?
It was done here.
How are you satisfied with the music that was done here for you?
Very satisfied.
Oh.
Watch my China, the
Top quality. As you can see, my boys wamekuja. Because they're doing their own album up there.
Big producer.
Unajua, sisi tumekapa sana. Rumba Japan. Hakuna studio kama hiyo. Sasa hapa Kenya. Uongo. Hakuna. Safi. Kila kitu sawa. Tena mimi Lion niko hapo. Utasolo number 1.
So mna produce album hapa?
Tuko hapa. Tuko hapa tu, angalia Gobi ndio huyu Rumba Japan. Shamekaa hapa. Hebu Gobi ndio huyu. Si unaona tuko hapa.
Rumba Japan pamoja na Jonjini.
Oh.
Hapa studio number 1.
So these top artists, all of them are producing over here.
Alafu wale wanafuatanga watakuja
Because
kuja.
the studio is just
Kila kitu mpya.
3 months old but already producing such big stars.
Kila kitu mpya iko hapa studio.
Sisi watu wa kwanza ndio tunatoa hii nyimbo watu wa dance.
Lingala music inaingia hapa number 1 hapa. Album ya kwanza. Tuko pamoja.
This is your album yenu ya kwanza mna produce hapa yani?
Yeah.
Lakini Rumba Japan, si mmekuwa mkiproduce for a long time.
Sasa hii sasa inakuja sasa hii ndio itakuwa inasikika dunia mzima sasa.
Itakuwa sasa like
Kwa natopa Kenya sasa hii inaenda mbali.
Kama Kenya.
Tumeamua.
hii ni modern sasa.
Tungoje sasa wasikize hiyo ndio waamue sasa waseme ile wamesikia.
Mimi nimesikia kidogo, it was nice.
Asante sana.
Tena kitu nataka kuambia watu ni mali sio ya kushikana, unakaa. Kuna maji baridi, kuna TV, kuna angalia watu vile wamekaa huko. Hebu uchukua watu.
Nilishawachukua.
Huyu boss wa Kongolisa amekuja hapa kwa sababu ni safi. Mali mzuri, unakaa, studio mzuri, kila kitu. Huyu mtu. Huyu mtu hapa Kenya. Ni kama Wera Sone Falipu kwa Kenya.
This is our star. Yeah. He's big. And that is why nimekuwa surprised sana kupata hapa.
Basi, huyu.
Very nice.
Number 1.
Ongea na mimi sina yeye.
Ini Junior. Huyu usicheje na yeye. Wewe ni Mkenya. Number 1 from Kenya. Utaki wende ulale.
All the musicians, this is the only studio that will give you what you are looking for if it's about quality.
Yeah.
Welcome to Masterclef Studio.